So, after waiting a few months, I received my order in the mail of the new Blazar Remus 1.5x anamorphic lenses. So let's get this opened up and take a look. There it is. Alright, I got 1, 2, 3 lenses, 3 EF mounts. Looks like it comes with a little screwdriver. That is pretty great. We got spare gasket. So we got a couple of shims. Looks like we got 4 shims, little warranty cards. And yeah. Take a look at this 45 first. These are my first PL mount lenses, so I'm kind of excited to try it. I did buy an EF mount for each of these, but I do have a PL to E mount adapter coming in the mail. It's just not quite here yet, so I'll probably swap them over to the EF mount so I can just use them in the meantime until I get that adapter, and then I'll swap back to the PL. Next up we got 65. I feel like I'll probably use the 45 and the 65 most of anything, with the 100 just kind of coming out for more specialty stuff. Again, this will probably be the one I'll use the least, but it is kind of nice to have the set depending on the situation. Man, these feel phenomenal. This is my first set of kind of cinema lenses that aren't just like, you know, Sony mount or Canon mount lenses. Okay, so quick first impressions on the lenses. They feel incredible. You know, build quality is insane for, you know, these lenses are about $1,000 US each. Here in New Zealand, this set was about 4,500 New Zealand dollars. So still not too bad for, you know, what you get if you're looking for that kind of unique look that I think a lot of people want right now. It's nice kind of having a good little bit wide to a little bit tight set. You know, these are 1.5x D squeeze, so you kind of get the width of like a 75-ish on the 100, but the compression of 100, and, you know, kind of similar with the other ones. You know, kind of the width of maybe a 45 or 35 on the 45, width of maybe a 50 on the 65, but with the characteristics of a 45, 65, and 100. What I'll need to do is swap the lens mounts over to EF before I can actually do any testing on my Sony cameras, because I will need to use a Sigma adapter in order to put these on there, because again, I don't have my PL mount adapter yet. It's on back order, and we'll get here when it gets here. But these got here a lot faster than I was expecting, even with, you know, coming through customs here in New Zealand. So I'm very, very happy with that. So, wow. I'll put some kind of quick test footage once I get these swapped over and get the footage, you know, figured out in Final Cut or Resolve. And yeah, this is just a quick little dirty unboxing. I don't really do that. So, you know, we'll see. Thanks for watching, and I'm sure I'll have plenty more here in New Zealand with these lenses. I'm stoked to take them up into the mountains in Arthur's Pass and such and just kind of get some nice beauty shots.